Hi, welcome to Embodia. This video will show you how to record patients doing their own exercises, and then how to securely and privately share that recording with them. Exercise prescription is available for practitioners and patients on web and mobile apps for Apple and Android devices. Patients always use Embodia for free. To record your patient, log into the mobile app. Select the patient you would like to record and click Upload Exercise. Patient recordings can only be shared with the patient that you recorded and will never be added to the general exercise library. Once recorded, the video can be shared with your patient. You will see all the exercises that you have recorded or uploaded for this specific patient. Select the exercise you recorded and click Add to prescribe it to your patient. You can either add it to an existing exercise program or create a new one. Set the exercise prescription including the duration, frequency at which your patient should perform the exercise, and optionally the number of sets, reps, hold, and resistance. You can also add notes for your patient. When you're ready, click Send to Patient to share the video with your patient. All set. Your patient will now be able to access the recording from their secure portal. This ends our brief tour of recording your patient in session. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.